Hello and welcome back. In this episode, we draw some artwork. If you're new here, I use Office Word to create artwork using Office shapes. Let's go insert, shape, get a rectangle, and for this rectangle, make it smaller and change this to fixed position, shape effects, soft glow. Just copy that. Put it over here at top. Let's get rid of the outlines. Okay, for this one, we're going to go shape fill, gradient. I'm going to choose that top one. That's going to be the sky. This will be the water, of course, ocean, sea. I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go paste, and then I'm going to go back into shape fill. Maybe texture. This one too. I don't mind this one. Let's make it a little bit more transparent. That looks good. Just make it, I guess you can make it more compressed. That's okay. That's good. Maybe this 92, make it a little bit more clear. 91%. Okay, that's our water. Now, I'm going to put some birds, some sun, maybe a lighthouse. Insert, shape, pick your circle, shape outline. I don't want any outline. Shape fill. Give it like a nice lazy day kind of light. And I'm going to go shape effects. I'm going to go and look for soft edges. Give it some soft edge. Put it over here. If I go here and I take this lowest part here and I just give it a light yellow like that, and then bring this in more, like it's already changing. The light's changing. Give another one here. Maybe make this into an orange, lighter orange, and bring it in more. And then with this one here, the next color next to it, let's give it some yellow and move the blue over to bring that in and make that a little bit more pronounced. This one here, add another one, and take this one, make it light blue, or out more, maybe like this. Yeah, and then this one here, same thing. This one goes here. These two, bring forward, bring to front. Oops, I don't want to lose the other one. This one, bring to front. I want the sun like that. I'm gonna go insert shapes. Take one of these. Go copy, paste. Go shape format, outline. Bring down the weight. Insert shapes. I want like a rock or something. Turn it around. Okay. Change that to fixed position. Edit points. Add a point. Add a point. Add a point. Shape fill. No outline. Soft edge. So gradient. Insert. Shape. The shape, you turn it around. Shape fill. I'm going to try gray, but I'm going to go shape fill. And pattern fill. Like that. Maybe just make it red. This one may be red. This one gray. Insert shape. Shape outline. Weight. Shape outline. Shape effects. Soft edges. Shape effects. Glow. Not sure how much to glow. Just a little bit. Go in here. You can change it. And add a boat. Bevel. We'll add this one. We'll go edit points. Bring this out. Smooth point. Edit points. Smooth point. Maybe give it shape fill gradient. Like that. Like it's heading into the sun. Lighting. Want it on the other side of the boat. Send backward. Just see. Bring forward. Okay. Make it darker. Make this one darker too. Shade format. Shape effects reflection. can try to give it some reflection. I wonder if we brought this to the front. Bring it to front. That would work. This orange. Little options. Just wondering. I'm just going to take an additional filter and add it over top. Okay. Let's see, take that one. It's full transparency. That's too much. 99. And I forgot actually to give the boat some shadow. That would be nice, so we're going to give that some shadow. Just the boat, not the oars. Just do it to 80, like that, and then move this thing back over. Select objects. And group them all. Everything should move together. Yeah, good. Let's make this also a fixed position. That's it. Thanks for watching.